Okay, welcome back to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about tokens. So now if you're there and you're trading cryptocurrencies or learning more about cryptocurrencies but you have difficulty in differentiating different types of cryptocurrencies, I think this is the right video for you to sit down and watch it till to the end. I think you'll have learned a lot from it. Now I will go ahead to emphasize you to subscribe to my channel and also like this video plus sharing this video to other members also to watch and we try all of us to share this knowledge. So we recommend you to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Now with that brief introduction, without wasting time, our topic today is going to be about tokens. Now, an exchange token is a crypto token issued by a digital asset exchange that provides benefits such as trading fee discounts on exchange to token holders. Exchange tokens are mainly designed to improve an exchange's liquidity, establish multi-party trust, intensive traders to use the platform, or serve as a governance mechanism for an exchange's future development. So when you look at tokens mainly they are not cryptocurrencies, but tokens are created under the blockchains of cryptocurrencies or altcoins. Now, when you look at an altcoin like Ethereum has several cryptocurrencies which are created under its blockchain. Why? These cryptocurrencies they use the blockchain of Ethereum more so. Why? Because it is powerful, or for them they will not raise the funds of making their own blockchain, so they tend to use other cryptocurrencies blockchain. So now when you look at tokens, mainly tokens like they have given us a brief example, and a token is more so an exchange token is a cryptocurrency issued by a digital asset exchange that provides benefits such as trading fee discounts. So now I'm going to head to explain. When you look at different tokens, we have Binance Coin. Now, for those who know Binance Coin, so Binance Coin is a token, but Binance Coin originally is being created by the owner of Binance. But if you have Binance Coin, if you're holding Binance Coin on your exchange, that means more so it will help you on some of the trading fees which are being deducted by you when you are placing any trade, when you are both investing and trading. So now you holding Binance Coin on your exchange will help you to at least have some discount on your trading fees. So whereby if you're being charged, let me say like 0.10% on whatever trade you do place, you'll find you'll be charged over like 0.06 of 5% on each trade you're going to be trading. So cryptocurrency tokens they tend to be more so issued as a digital asset exchange token that provides benefits such as trading fee discounts on exchanges or to token holders. You can obtain exchange tokens through initial exchange offerings, which are mechanisms that allow crypto companies to raise capital by selling utility tokens on an exchange. So one of the ways you can acquire tokens is through initial exchange offerings. So exchanges come and try to give out their own tokens to the holders or to the clients who are currently using the exchanges. So you holding these tokens, like I've told you, it's one of the ways which can help you to bypass this trading fee discounts on an exchange. Another way to obtain exchange tokens is through airdrops. Now airdrops, these are free given out tokens Let me say there is a growing cryptocurrency. Let me give you one. There is a growing cryptocurrency. Let me say like Brace. So Brace can go ahead by sitting down with several cryptocurrency exchanges and then give them their platform and they say that try to market us, but we shall do it through giving out several tokens to different clients on different exchanges. So now you'll find that you're being given like 1 million tokens of Brace. Why? Because Brace is a growing cryptocurrency and it's trying to give out these airdrops for it to attract more clients to go and buy that particular currency, which are initially free tokens in exchange for promoting crypto projects. It's what I am trying to explain for you. That these airdrops they act as promoting crypto projects. Why? They are given out for free. Now, if they give you these tokens for free, they also recommend you to buy more now using your physical cash. So now, tokens they also act as airdrops for marketing growing up projects. Examples for popular exchange tokens include BNB, which is Binance Coin. Like I've told you, there is Crypto.com coin, which is CRO, and there is FTX token, FTT. So this is another wonderful or successful token for a different exchanger. So now I think now we have got a clear picture about tokens. We will try to differentiate them because we have tokens, we have meme coin tokens, we have altcoins, we have NFTs, so they are different. So now we try to make these episodes for you to differentiate between these different cryptocurrencies. So now guys, for those who have made it to the end of this video, I think I recommend you to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel because a lot of content is still coming.